Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to talk a bit about WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is an open source content management system. The software doesn't cost anything. Anyone can install, use, and modify it for free. With this CMS, you can create any type of website you want, like hobby or lifestyle blogs, professional portfolios, business websites, e-commerce stores, mobile applications, and membership sites. In fact, more than 40% of all websites online use WordPress. Here are a few reasons why WordPress is so popular. WordPress is easy to use for a beginner. Actually, WordPress doesn't require a computer engineering degree. It's actually built for non technical people. The user interface is so simple and friendly. And to add a new design to your website, you can simply download a theme. Or if you need to add a new function like a contact form, you just need to install a plugin. WordPress is secure. Security is a major concern for businesses. As long as you keep plugins updated and passwords secure, WordPress is one of the safest and secure CMS platforms. WordPress is completely free. It won't cost you anything to use the software. However, you will need to pay a third-party hosting provider to make your website available online, which I suggest you Bluehost. Its costs are very reasonable. WordPress supports all media types. It's good to know that this platform gives you creative freedom. WordPress is an open source platform. This means anyone can modify the source code and redistribute the software. WordPress is SEO friendly. Sometimes it's not enough to just build a website. You want people to find and visit your website through search engine optimization. With SEO plugins like Use SEO, you can boost your rankings with internal linking suggestions and meta description templates. It has ton of ready to use themes that you can import it and use it for free. If you want to learn WordPress from zero, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and till another video, take care and bye bye.